For my aspiring entrepreneurs who may say, you know what, Tyrone, I really want to start my business, but I really don't have the money right now. Money is really tight, right? And here's what I will say to you. If you're an individual where you're getting, money back at the end of the tax season, during tax season, right? Where you're getting money back and this money is like excessive. And what do I mean by excessive, right? So right now in the US, the average tax refund for 2023 was $3,160, right? And so what that simply means is that you're overpaying the government somewhere, right? So I understand that a lot of you get your pretty much your credits, right? Which add some additional money to your, refunds. I understand that you're getting credit money, right? And I get that. But if you're having federal taxes taken out on top of credits and you're averaging somewhere, upwards of 3,167 or let's say 2,000 or 1,000, and some of this money that you're getting back is simply because you have too much taxes taken out on your W-4, what you should do is go to your tax preparer or your CPA or whoever's preparing your taxes and say, hey, I'm interested in starting my business. I want to get started with my business. And in order for me to get started on my business, I need to get my actual money now. Can you adjust my W-4? Not only can you adjust my W-4, can you make a recommendation so that I adjust my W-4 and receive some of my money back now? That way I can take that money and invest in my business. That's what you should go to your CPA or tax preparer and ask them to do. And if your tax preparer or CPA cannot look at the historical data of your past refunds and be able to make a determination on how to adjust your W-4 so that you can get some of your money or all of your money back during a year, then you may want to kind of look at finding a new tax preparer or CPA, because that something is really wrong if they can't really give you a recommendation on how to adjust your W-4 so that you can get some or all of your hard-earned money back now, right? And the reason why I'm suggesting this because you got to remember, when you get tax refunds back, you're not going to get interest back from the government on that money. They do not give you interest back on the money. I'm telling you. So I know this doesn't happen, and it hasn't happened during my lifetime. And I'm not going to say it's not going to happen in the future, but during my lifetime, and it hasn't happened. Hasn't happened during my parents or my grandparents' lifetime. The government has not been giving interest on pretty much on refunds. I can tell you that now. So it will benefit you to start getting some of your money back now to invest in your business, aspiring entrepreneurs. So just want to kind of give you a heads up. That's one of the ways that you can go ahead and start investing in your business now.